dimorphism, and all that means is the males and the females look extremely different from one another. So most parrot species you actually have to DNA test to know their gender, but not with these guys because they are the same size and body shape but completely different colors. And in just a moment, Nicole's going to bring down our male Eclectus parrot so you can see just how different these two look from one another. Now actually, we don't DNA test most of our birds because it doesn't change how we take care of them. And we actually thought Henry, that blue and gold macaw all the way over there, we for the longest time thought that Henry was a male. But Henry just recently laid an egg, so now we know that Henry is a female. But we'll never have this problem with Eclectus parrots because of how different they look from one another. It's something really, really cool. But Amber and Ernie here were both actually former pets as well, just like Sugar, Sebastian, and Kiki were too. And they could no longer be taken care of by their owners because they require a lot of work and stimulation, as we've talked about. But we've been able to train a lot of cool vocals with Amber, so we'll see if she wants to show some of those off. So we could just start off with a little easy greeting with her. Okay, Amber, can you say, "Hi, Amber"? Hi, Amber. Good job. She has a really clear voice, and you probably noticed she didn't really say, "Hi, Amber." She kind of said, "Hi, Amber," so she obviously lives in the Boston area before coming out here. Now, all of our birds love to play this one game in particular, and we'll hear them yelling it back and forth at each other. Can you say, "Peekaboo"? Good job, Amber. Now, earlier Nicole talked about this a little bit with Sebastian, but these birds mimic to fit in with their flock mates. And in Amber's former home, she lived with a lot of different animals that she learned to mimic, and she picked up some pretty cool vocals. So here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Good job, Amber. You guys give Amber and Ernie a little round of applause for that.